Welcome back. Today I'll show you a very effective and easy fix for the diagnosing your PC problem. This message can suddenly appear when you start your PC or laptop, and it's usually caused by corrupted Windows system files or by installing a program that damaged system files. So right now I'll explain the first method from this series to fix diagnosing your PC. There's also a second method with different very simple steps that I'll cover in the next video. Before we start, please hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new tutorials. After you power on your computer, you'll see the diagnosing your PC message. Wait until it reaches the automatic repair screen. Now, just click Advanced Options. From the options shown, choose Troubleshoot. Then you'll see two choices, Advanced Options and Reset this PC. Select Reset this PC. You'll now get two options, Keep my files and remove everything. Choose Keep my files to keep your personal data. The system will start repairing the damaged Windows files. All you need to do is wait until it reaches 100%. This step can take about 15 minutes or more, depending on your PC. When the process completes and reaches 100%, do not turn off your computer. Windows will automatically restart. After the restart, you should find Windows working normally again. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you're not already. Leave a comment and support us to keep producing tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.